How to delete Instagram app. Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you the ways to delete your Instagram app. So in order to delete your Instagram app, make sure that your device is up to date. So basically what you'll have to do is, in order to delete your Instagram app, it's a very simple process. There are different ways of doing it. So but first of all, let me show you. Go to the app store or Play Store, and from here you have to go ahead and type in Instagram on the search box, and here you'll be able to, so here you can see this is the particular application that is already been installed. So in order to delete it, you have to just click on the uninstall button, and there will be a confirmation. So go ahead and tap on the confirmation and wait for the application to be uninstalled. However, if this is a lengthy process, then you can also try doing this step, that is long press on your Instagram application, go to the app info page, and from here you can either force stop or uninstall the application, whichever is convenient for you. And that's basically how you can delete your Instagram app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.